Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 13, Fun with Magnet. So magnet, you all have seen magnet, also you all have played with magnet. There is a magnet in the pencil box of yours, in the door of the fridge. Also some stickers we are going to putting on the almirah that also have magnet which is attached to the almirah. In the various places magnet is widely used. Nowadays it's widely used. So let's discuss what is magnet, how it is discovered and what is its property. So magnet, the previous name of the magnet was magnetite, as it is believed to be discovered from a place of magnesia. So the name was given according to that. Then there is also story behind it, the discovery of magnet. So it was told that a shepherd was there, a place in Greece. His name is Magnes. One day he take his all the goat and sheep for the grazing on the mountain. So he was sitting in some of the mountain rock. So when he found that the stick of his has the iron end, okay, the cap of that end of the stick is made up of iron, and that was stick to some of the rock, and he has to be pull it to free his stick from that mountain. So he found that the iron cap on his stick is going to be attracted by that particular rock in the mountain. Okay. So from there it is discovered it is the rock which attract the iron object. So on the name of his that shepherd Magnes, the name was given magnetite. So there is a various story how this magnetite name has given, but later on this magnetite name was revised and given magnet. Okay. So what is magnet? Magnet is a substance having a property. What property? Attracting iron or iron material. When a substance attracting iron material, it is called magnet. Okay. So the substance having the property of attracting iron are known as magnets. So various shape of magnets you might have seen. Okay, oval shape, round shape. So some shapes are given in your book. So let's see what the shapes. So different shapes of the magnets, let's see. I will draw one by one and write the name at the bottom of it. So it is a bar magnet. What? Bar magnet. This shape is called bar magnet. Okay. Next. U-shaped magnet is called horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe magnet. Okay. Next is your this is your cylinder shape. So it is a cylindrical magnet. Cylinder shape. So it is a cylindrical magnet. Also you having round ended or ball ended magnet. Okay. Also you might have seen round shape magnet. Okay. Also you have seen oval shape magnet. So there are various type of magnets is available. It is round shape, round magnet, and this is your oval. So various shape of magnet is available nowadays. Okay. So these are the different shape of the magnet. Let's move to the. Hope you understand this different shape of the magnet. This and this is widely used. Bar magnet and horseshoe magnet is widely used. Okay. Next, move to magnetic and non-magnetic material. Next is your magnetic and non-magnetic material. Magnetic and non-magnetic. So what is magnetic material and what is non-magnetic material? So the materials which can attract by magnets are called magnetic materials. Example, iron objects. Whether it is an iron pin, iron nails, iron window, any ironing object materials are coming under magnetic materials. Opposite of it, the materials which cannot attract by. So here, the materials that cannot be attracted by magnets are called magnetic materials. Okay, so the material that cannot be attracted by magnets are called magnetic material. Example, many examples are there: wood, plastic, clothes, rubber, many more are there. So you being clear, the material which is attracted by the magnet are called magnetic material. Example, iron objects. And the material which do not or which cannot be attracted by the magnet are called non-magnetic material. Sorry, here should be non-magnetic material. Okay, non-magnetic materials. Like example, wood, plastic, clothes. So you can check if you have magnet in a home. You can check that with any other plastic one or wood. It will not going to be attract that. But if you're going to put it with the help of if you're going to use any iron nails, so it will be attracted towards the magnet. Okay, magnetic, non-magnetic. Hope you clear. Next class we will go further about this property. Up to that you revise this. Thank you.